My verse on anything.
Yes.
Like your favorite one. What's the one that you make fun of me all the time?
Breathe.
Is it Breathe?
Yeah, do that.
The roses in life.
It's like a cross-street Aaron Neville.
That's a good one.
Now this is where we start getting mad at each other.
Okay. All right. Kevin, do me.
Okay.
All right.
Really? On stage in front of people?
No.
Bend over.
This is AJ. Then you gotta be looking at somebody else like you're doing.
Wait, I can do you, Ron. You gotta do that. I can do somebody do this impression.
No, close your eyes and stick your finger. Please try to forgive. No, listen.
That's it, all the way.
We love AJ.
Wait, hold on, wait, Nick.
No, let me do you real quick while we're on you. I don't do my knees.
No, here's the thing. Nick goes like this. Nick can get even better, Nick goes like this. He has this look on his face like this.
And he gets so sexy and he goes. So AJ, Brian, this is AJ.
Why is it more of me?
This is AJ. Happened last night. So AJ's it's on happening, okay? So I'm saying, rise up, and AJ comes in. He's like, he's
Oh, here's somewhat AJ also does.
Oh, AJ?
see your eyes. Yeah, look at this.
Oh, my eyes. Yeah.
Yo, have you looked at?
I do have the one.
He looks out of the corner of his eye.
Done it my whole.
Because you're looking to see if we're paying attention.
I don't trust anybody. All right, Howie, what about Howie? Yes.
Oh yeah, Howie, you gotta go in. Exactly.
Here's how.
All show.
I didn't know this until I watched a video on YouTube of the show from somewhere in China on Incomplete, how he does his whole usher thing.
Oh yeah. Come on, you got it, Kevin. Oh yeah. You don't pull this out that much anymore. That's true. This is dope. You better do it tonight.
Everybody wants to see how we do it tonight.
You should do it on something else, man. I'm bored. I heard you take that. I'm gonna see if I can do that.
Oh yes, Brian also. You sing.
Everybody bites off of me.
No, here's Brian. Here's Brian. Anybody got a guitar pick? Let me have a guitar pick. Anybody got one? Guitar pick?
We are taking this to the utmost right now.
Anyway, we're sitting up there doing an acoustic set. Howie's starting. Brian's doing a whole stand-up comedy routine. He's wobbling on his chair. Toothpick. Guitar pick. Right here. There we go. And he's like, that's Brian. Stand-up comedy the whole damn show. All right, so we did it. Hey, we did toast today.
We have time for one last question. I see you turned your mic